Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What's good? What's popping, you guys? So I just want to do a voiceover for this video. It's a little different. It's been a minute, but as you guys can tell, this hair is matted. I haven't touched it in like maybe 2 weeks or maybe more. I was just not in the mood to touch this hair. I just was not feeling it. It was like my hair is always the last for me to tend to when I'm going through it mentally, physically, emotionally. And this week was just very, very trying. It was very tough. Like, I felt like I was going through it. Like, I was just either sad and angry and sad again. It was just like I was just having a mental up and down. And when that happens, I'm just not in the mood to do no hair. Like, I'm gonna just be honest. My hair is just the last thing on the list. Like, it can be cut off, shaved bald for all I care. Like, honestly, I'm like, it's gonna go right back the next day. But my husband had surprised me literally I think the day before, which was the most positive thing from throughout my whole week. He had surprised me with tickets to go to see Future, which he knows I love me some Future. I love his little toxic ass. But it was like, yes, there was some type of light at the end of the tunnel, at the end of the week. Because baby, I'm telling you, when I mean drained, mentally, physically, emotionally drained. Like, when I mean making sure you put your mental health on the top of your list is important. I mean, regardless, I still have to go to work. Regardless, I still gotta do what I do. Like, I wish I could just say, let me just stay home and just sit in the bed for a little bit and get my life together. But it doesn't always work like that. Being honest, it doesn't work like that, especially when you have a 9 to 5. You have to still go to work, still interact, still talk to people, and go through what you're going through and put a smile on your face. Like, you gotta fake it till you make it. And I'm telling you, it was just rough. And it's been rough, and I know that I need to find me somebody to talk to. And I'm going to work on that. Like, I started that process. If you watch my vlogs, I talked about me trying to talk to somebody on better health, because through my job, they have that for you for free. And I did, but I just didn't feel like the therapist was very attentive. Literally, our first meeting, I think she was driving home. She was going home. I heard the car. I heard her, like, she was in the car speaker, and I was like, okay. And I was trying to relate how I was feeling, but I don't think it came off the way that I wanted her to think, or I didn't feel like she asked questions to kind of get more details in it. So I was like, yeah, that's it. So I've been just writing in my journal and kind of expressing my feelings in there and releasing it that way, which is very helpful. But I know that talking to somebody professional will be the best thing. When I was a child, I did go to counseling. I did have therapy and stuff like that. And I had stopped once I moved to a different state. But I know as an adult I need to pick it up, because I'm trying to just heal through certain things that I've been through in my past, and then I go through or I deal with, because, you know, trusting is a big thing for me. Like, I really don't trust too many people or people whatsoever. Like, I will love you, I will do all of that, I will care about you, but it's hard for me to trust. Like, it's trust, okay? And I hate people in my business, so it just makes it really, really difficult for me. Like, I be stuck in my head a lot of the times. It just, you know, life of an introvert. If you are an introvert, you probably can relate. Like, you be going through stuff and you just keep it all in, because you don't trust nobody or anything like that. And I've had issues when I tell people stuff, and I've told them my personal business, and child, they have went and told it, or I believe they went and told somebody else. And I'm not the type of person. I don't like that. Like, if I'm confiding in you, don't be in here telling people what I told you. Don't be in here repeating my business to other people. Like that, if that doesn't break my trust with you, I don't know what does. Like, I don't like that. And because I've had situations like that happen to me before with a friend that was supposed to be my best friend, it really kind of broke that trust situation. And then I also go off of people's energy, because I feel like sometimes I'm bothersome to people. But, you know, I'm trying to work on that. I doing journaling for right now. Like, that's my little happy pace in trying to meditate. Even if I get like 5 minutes in the morning, or right before I go to bed I get 5 minutes, or yoga, like I have to really spend time with myself. And I haven't been doing that. And this week I did that. This particular week I did not whatsoever. Like, no attention to myself, no attention to really my mental. It was just going through it and not really focusing on sitting down, taking the time. It was like, do content, work, come home, clean the house, walk the dog, do all the stuff that I need to do, but not mentally take care of myself. But I am working on it, y'all. I am working on it. I am trying to go through that process, and I would just love for you guys to pray for me. And also next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.